Hey, Mr. Bennett, it's Watson here, Scarborough, Maine. Turned out to be a beautiful day, and look at this wagon. So we're going to take a close look at this baby for you, and I'll point out a few of those spots where it was kissed a little bit. But again, this was a local owner, well-known, bought the car here, serviced it here, so it's exactly what you want in a vehicle. So coming up on the right front, we're going to notice the one blemish here. So if you look in, it looks like it was kissed here and then right up on the edge. See? So, you know, standing back on a white car, you can barely notice, but I just definitely wanted to point that out. Coming around, I mean, she's super clean and straight along the side. Interior looks very nice and clean. I don't think the back seat was really ever used. I'll open up that door so you can see that too. If you'll notice on top, it is the full panoramic roof that runs along the top. You notice it was ordered with the side blinds on the side. I don't think anybody ever sat in that back seat. It's like brand spanking new, factory fresh. So all in all, this is a super nice car. So down here you can see a little bit of rippling in this area. And on the other side, and in the back, by the way, let's just open this up. She's clean back here, and of course you've got your third row seat back here, which folds up, rear facing seat. Then, so this is kind of the most major of it. This got torn. So you got a little bit of a tear in the bumper here. And little creasing here, so there is, you know, some minor body damage on it, but that's kind of the way she looks. Let's take a look on the driver's side here real quick. Up front in the dash area, real clean. That's the upgraded Burmester sound system that you've got in there, and this is an excellent vintage of this is the last of the V6 engines, man. So this is like, after this they went to the 4-cylinder engine. Great machine. I'm Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. We'll try to get this video out to you later this afternoon. Thank you very much, sir.